So if you're here right now, you're here because you had the same problem that I had, which is having trouble calibrating the compass. So if you followed this video here, and that didn't seem to do the job, so I'm going to show you the way that DJI support showed me how to do it. So go to this website in the top here. I'll paste this in the description, so check below. Scroll down to Mavic downloads, and then over here, depending on if you're using Windows or a Mac, download your DMG or zip file. If you're using a Mac and need to download the app, download it and then do this. So go to your system preferences, then go to security and privacy, and this, at the moment, this should be populated for you. You need this to be here. So click the lock to make your changes, enter in your password, click this, set the lock back, and then try reopening the file. Then what you want to do is open up DJI Assistant. Simply plug the USB into your Mavic and then into the side of your computer, and this should show up. So plug the USB into your Mavic and then insert the USB into the side of your computer. I advise plugging your USB into a USB port close to the trackpad on your computer, because you're going to need to point the camera at the screen and move away from the screen, so you want as much room as possible. Then power on your drone, and there you go. This is the screen that will come up once your drone's powered on. Double click. You may need to log in, so log in. On the left side here, go down to calibration, and then you'll have 3 steps. From there, follow the instructions. If you have any problems, let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you, and hopefully I can help you out. Otherwise, that should be everything you need to do, and good luck.
Activation error. It's purring like a cat. For the last 87 days, I've had my camera with me every day. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different.